Juggling several Upwork clients at once? Without a system, it's a recipe for missed deadlines and stress. I'll share my simple framework for managing multiple contracts smoothly. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Juggling multiple projects is how you scale your income, but it requires discipline. First, use a project management tool outside of Upwork. Trello, Asana, or even a simple spreadsheet can help you track deadlines, to-dos, and client details for each project. Second, block out dedicated time for each client in your calendar. This time blocking ensures you make progress on every project without letting one dominate your week. A crucial pro tip: under-promise and over-deliver on your timelines. When you're busy, pad your deadlines. It's better to tell a client it will take 7 days and deliver in 5 than to promise 3 days and miss. This protects your reputation and reduces stress. And just like that, you can confidently take on more work without dropping the ball. Managing multiple contracts effectively is the key to a sustainable freelance business. How many active contracts can you comfortably handle? For your final question, subscribe for our next video on Upwork communication best practices. Thanks for watching.